I'm Jason. The world is yours, and today we have a story about Rolling Loud Music Festival says the New York stop and South by Southwest will not be happening this year. Multi-city hip-hop music festival Rolling Loud held its first New York City edition in 2019 at Fields parking lot, where it returned in 2021 and 2022. Rolling Loud Music Festival have announced they won't be holding a New York City edition in this year, 2023. However, due to logistical factors beyond our control, a message from the music festival reads: For the last few years, we, Rolling Loud Music Festival, made some legendary moments happening in Queens, New York City. We saw the beginning of the King Vamp era, Travis Power through his full set through The Pain, Cardi and Uzi reunited on a stage. Nicki, 50 Cent, and ASAP Rocky putting on iconic headlining performance in their hometown, Juice World final music festival performance, and many, many, many more. But sadly, due to logistical factors beyond our control, Rolling Loud Music Festival will not be returning to New York City in 2023. Wow. But don't worry, this isn't goodbye. It's more like see you later. We'll be back in New York when the time's right. In the meantime, we invite all of our New York fans to. Okay, I'm not going to. That's just like a joke, right? I'm not even going to read that. Rolling Loud announcement comes the same year that Governor's Ball, another music festival that had happened at City Fields parking lot for its past few editions, announced a move to Flushing Meadows Corona Park. While that move had been in the works for a while, there have been ongoing discussions over building a casino near City Fields. There's no word on whether that had anything to do with either festival's discussion. However, stay tuned. Okay. Rolling Loud held its California edition earlier this month and had announced plans to return to South by Southwest in Austin this week, but they wound up canceling that at the last minute. In a tweet they wrote, "We didn't want to back out. We'll try again next year." Rap TV is instead holding a 2-day Austin takeover at Stubbs today. Yada yada yada. Next up for Rolling Loud is their Miami edition in July. Wow, how about that? But yeah, they didn't really give any specific reasons. They're just saying that logistical errors. I don't not logistical errors, but logistical reasons as to why they can't perform in New York City. Logistical factors. What does that mean? Is it, you know, the arena, the city park, is that being renovated? Do they need the space at that area? Is that the logistics that they're talking about? Are they talking about logistics like the artists don't want to come to New York, or they have artists that they wanted to put on that won't be able to make it? Are they talking about logistical factors like the festival can't move, their equipment from into New York and get the logistics right, so as far as setting up the stage and permits and things like that. So logistical factors is not really, you would say the demand is there. I haven't heard anything about last year's festival not selling out or not doing well or anything like that. So I don't think it's a demand issue for Rolling Loud. A lot of people are really, really upset about this. To hear, it's a really, really popping festival. As you can see, they've had 50 Cent, ASAP, Uzi, Nicki. They've had some really, really famous artists. So this is definitely not a good sign. And also, we have to figure out, when will they come back? Will they come back next year for Rolling Loud? And does this kind of dampen the hype for next year's show if people are just like, well, they canceled last year, I don't really trust it. Maybe they could cancel last minute. This is not really a good sign for Rolling Loud, but we'll see. We'll have to get more about this story besides just 2 words of logistical factors. There has to be, obviously, there's way, 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 way more things going on than just logistical factors as to why the music festival Rolling Loud won't be held in New York City this year. We're not talking about COVID, right? That was the one year they didn't do it. They started in 2019. Obviously, 2020 was COVID year, but they came back in 2021 and 2022. So why would 2023? Why would we go back to basically 2020? I don't understand that. But let me know your opinion of this story. Have you been to Rolling Loud, New York, Miami, California? Any Rolling Loud? Were you looking forward to going to Rolling Loud this year? And what do you think is the reason as to why Rolling Loud Music Festival 2023 won't happen in New York City? I'm Jason, the world is yours. Today we have some sad news for New York City, tri-state area fans of hip-hop music who wanted to attend the Rolling Loud New York City 2023 will not be happening this year. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.